Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Dodge Challenger exhaust tips. First, gather your essential tools for this task. You'll need a ratchet and a 13mm socket to loosen the clamp bolt that secures each tip. A rubber mallet will be incredibly helpful for gently tapping the tips free if they are a bit stubborn. Also, having some penetrating oil on hand can make a big difference for any bolts that might be corroded or overly tight. Safety glasses and gloves are always a good idea for protection. Before you begin, ensure your Dodge Challenger is parked on a level, stable surface. This provides a safe working environment and better access to the exhaust tips. It's also crucial to let the exhaust system cool down entirely to prevent burns. Once cooled, get underneath the rear of your vehicle and locate the single clamp bolt on the underside of each exhaust tip. This bolt secures the tip to the exhaust pipe, so identifying it is your next key step. Now take your ratchet and 13mm socket and fully loosen the clamp bolt on each exhaust tip. Some Challenger models may have a spot weld on the clamp itself, but the tip is not welded to the pipe. If the tip feels stuck, apply some penetrating oil to the joint where the tip meets the exhaust pipe and let it soak for a few minutes. Then, using your rubber mallet, gently but firmly tap the back of the exhaust tip. It should begin to slide off with a few good taps. After removing the old tips, take a moment to clean the exhaust pipe thoroughly. This ensures a smooth surface for installing new tips or for general maintenance. When installing new tips, slide them into place and ensure they are perfectly aligned with the vehicle's aesthetics before tightening the clamp bolts securely. Double-check all connections to prevent any rattles or leaks. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Enjoy your refreshed Challenger look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.